Okay, so we're here at Sea Otter. I need to ship my Envy Mog back home, so I get to pack it in this really cool limited edition Little Bella's decorated Bikeflights Bike Box Large. And I'm gonna do it using this multi-tool, and we're gonna see how long it takes. Ready, set, go. I can't just use a multi-tool. I had to go borrow a rotor lockering tool for this from Abby, and I stopped the clock because that doesn't count. So we're starting it again. You're really slowing me up here, Vince. So they think I should go this way. Time? Or do I have to put the clips in?
Clips gotta go in.
Time.
What's it like having the FKT for packing a BBL?
I've been dreaming about this day for a while now, and I've been doing a lot of packing. Probably the last 6 months I've been packing at least, I don't know, 2 or 3 bikes a week. So, it's just nice to see the process has paid off, and I think this one will stand for quite some time. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of it.
What do you say to all the doubters out there that said you couldn't do it?
I get it. It was a lofty goal. I guess to all the doubters, I say trust the process. You have something in mind, you stick to it, you put the work in. I mean, dreams do come true. This is living proof.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.